Hello guys, welcome to another video of TechNack. In this video, we are going to discuss about the features and durability etc. of Amazfit BIPS. So this is the box in which the BIPS comes, and it has the features written here. Always on color display means the display will never be turned off. Water resistant to 50 meter. This means that it is water resistant as all watches are. It is lightweight, yes, it's absolutely is lightweight. Then heart rate detection, notifications, built-in GPS. So it has built-in GPS, so you don't need to connect to the phone. If you want to go out and just play on, then the heart multi-purpose tracking, then the long-lasting battery. So these are the features of Amazfit BIPS. After opening it, it is this box in which the BIPS is stored, but I have already taken it out. So let's move on without wasting time. This is the BIPS. The beautiful BIPS is just ahead of you. It's off. Now it turned on, and with a boom of spike, it shows that it is turned on. So before discussing about its feature, let's look at its charger and what it comes with. So it is a charger in which the BIPS comes. So here the two pointed hole, and the BIPS will just fit into it. See the two pointed hole. Just you have to oh my goodness. So it's ready to be charged. But now we will discuss about the feature. And now it's the big, thick, what we can say, manual in different languages. That's why it looks big. Otherwise, it has only 2 pages of instructions. So let's look at the feature of the BIPS. So it is the BIPS. When you will open it, I told you about the spike. Now let's move downward. Here it shows the SMS and notifications. See Airtel, then you will move down, then it's Airtel, like this is going on. Then it's the heart rate, and the watch face you can change by just, if you will press it, then it will show options about customization and the different watch faces. And you can again see, this is my watch face. I have to keep this, then I will just press it. It is kept like that. Again, if I will press it, then I can customize it as well. Calendar, so I don't want calendar, then I can see calendar, no. Weather, no. Humidity, no. Sunrise 5:25, no. Sundown, no. UV radiations, okay, I want to keep it. And now in the heart rate place, I want to keep something else. So let's see. PAI meter, no. Weather, reminder as well is not. Steps per hour, okay. And heart rate, so I want to keep heart rate itself. So just press it, apply, yes. So it just started. Now if you will press it again, then it will start the status. But before going on to status, let's see what features are in the shortcut menu. So if you press up, it's a DND mode, 2 or 3 options, not now, or auto. So I've turned on auto. Auto is what? DND is on after sleeping with watch, okay. Now the auto off, so now the screen will be off. Yes, this is a thing. Now just on it. It's the music control, but no music has been played, so it won't work. And this is the brightness. It's pretty brighter as well as it can. Okay. Oh yes, it's okay. Now let's move right side or left side, you discuss. Right side. Then it's a song, steps, it shows you the distance, calorie burn, and the sessions. Sessions means that idle alert, okay. Now PAI, so it's my PAI today, yesterday's and today. So I'm using it since only 2 days, that's why it's showing like this. Now the heart rate detector, it shows my heart rate, highest, lowest. So resting heart rate, so it shows the resting heart rate means we aren't doing any work, still showing heart rate. It's called resting heart rate. Then it's weather, 7 days forecast, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it shows the 7 days forecast. Then let's see any other function is there or not. No, because we are starting from left. See, only this much functions in the shortcut list, and you can sort it out if you want, okay. Oh my goodness, yes. Then just press it, yes. Now it shows the status after pressing this button. Status, again the same option. Then the heart rate again the same. If you will move down that, the PI meter again same. Now workout, so outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling. Oh my goodness, I don't want. Walking, open pool again. Yoga, elliptical trainer, workout history and settings. In the workout setting history, it shows you the past workout which you have done. You can delete it as well in the delete option. So it's the workout, and it has its own GPS, so it will show you the route. So I was running like this, so it shows you me stuck in it. So it is a total time, steps, cadence, speed, everything. Again, this item has not been synced since I have not opened the app, so it shows you the symbol. Yes, it's settings. In settings, it is the auto pause. This means that when you stop in between exercise, then it will automatically turn off. See, pause when it detects that you are not moving, so it automatically pause the exercise in between. The heart rate alert you can set by your own. Pace alert, this means that minimum, if you will your pace is below 6 km per hour, then it will give you alert. You can change it as well, how much you like. Then distance alert, 1 kilometer. So whenever I will travel 1 kilometer, it will give distance alert. You can change it. Oh my goodness. Now pool size, you can change it as well. Now let's move to another function. Weather you have seen already. Alarm you have to set from app, Amazfit app, then only you can see on and off it. The timer, the stopwatch and countdown. In countdown, timer, stopwatch. Compass, so this is the direction, it's east 112. See, southeast, NL and EL, I can't understand it, what is it, but leave it. Now the music again. Settings, in settings you will get the watch faces, but why do you need this if you will get the watch face after clicking it as only. The long button press, I have unlocked here walking. Long button press, I will show you the function. Find device, then it will find the device. My regulatory, about, and nothing more. Reset and turn off. So if you turn it on, press it, then see it actually start working. This is the function of this. If you press this button, start getting the walking meter on, but I don't need it. So you can edit it, and you can switch on anything. Now it is made up of polycarbonate with a good display, but a screen is slight oldish, means see it's quite old. Yes, a nice function of it is that whenever it turns off, then it just you can still see the time on it, so it's good. And that's the resting heart rate. Oh my goodness, you are seeing something greenish. This is the resting heart rate. Oh my goodness, what happened? Yes, this is the heart rate history of mine. Nothing more to say. But I have compared it with Amazfit with my MI band, so it gives me better results than this. Yes, heart rate is always being normal, so I'm going to tell you that after using a band or a watch for too much time, it already starts means degenerating its or stability, or what you can say, correct. It's not showing us correct data. See, today I wear both. In this it is showing 6007 steps, and in this it's showing you will be shocked, 5354 steps. So you can see the difference. Oh my goodness, this is very big difference. In this 3.81 kilometer I have walked, according to it, and according to it I have walked, oh, the password is set. According to it I have walked 4.47 kilometers. So you can see the difference. So after wearing a band or a watch for too much long time, it's means getting old, then it will not show the correct data. But I think that Amazfit Bip S is a great buy for smartwatch lovers, but it isn't a smartwatch, it's a fitness watch. So you can't say it is a smartwatch, but it's beautiful. It has a stainless steel button with polycarbons here, the heart rate sensor, the charger pinpoint. The only drawback that I see here is that it doesn't have fashion strap. It has the normal strap, the oldest strap. So I would like Amazfit to just replace it with a fashion strap. It would look much better. Rest, no problem. Yes, some display issues, as Amazfit could do better in the display. It's like oldest display. Really, if the watch is turned off, then it is okay. It's looking well. But when the watch is turned on, oh my goodness, this is very bad. See here, you can see that it's full screen display and it's nice, but not that much. This is Amazfit. This is TechKnack actually signing off. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Signing off. Bye bye.